Hi there, this is MAQ. Today we'll be talking about Global 8 Discipline in Problem Solving, GAD or AD. GAD is a step-by-step problem-solving methodology introduced in the 20th century and now became the most popular problem-solving principles used in many industries. It consists of progression steps, D0 to D8. D stands for discipline. This is about preparation. When a problem is reported, initiate emergency response to protect the customer. Learn about the problem. Gather information externally and internally. Analyze data and risk implications, etc. If there's a special cause, non-root cause, fix the problem, no need for AD to be initiated. This should be a mutual decision with the customer. Customers should be convinced by the data and effect presented to prove that it was indeed a once-off and agrees. D1. Set up problem-solving team. The team must be from different skill set. Include customer and supply rep if applicable. Customer can provide more product knowledge, especially if there are other product interactions at customer premise. Sometimes the issue might be a subcomponent that gets assembled to the main component. Team members' role must be defined and understood by all. Example, team champion, leader, facilitator, etc. Team members' engagement should be promoted regardless of differences in point of view. D2. Describe and understand the problem. Problem description should answer the questions what, where, when, and how. The problem statement must be simple. A complex one can lead to wrong causes and wrong corrections. D3. Short-term problems containment. D3 like D0. Focus on customer protection from problem effects. Raise problem and let's not. Initiate system checks. Conduct awareness training. Identify strategic processes and assign interim quality gain. Define breakpoint identification period. This means a special identification of the product shipped before shipment to the customer. Any product shipped without the identifications will be treated as an unconforming product. Breakpoint system should be communicated to all stakeholders. D4. Establish the root causes. There are many root causes analysis techniques that needs to be done to define and verify the authenticity of the root cause. The key here is to test the root causes, to replicate the problem. D5. Establish permanent corrective actions. From root cause verification, select actions to be done to eradicate the problem escape point. This decision most of the time depends on actions requirements, time, sophisticated skills, or new technologies. Well, top management needs to make these calls. But if there are no cost involvement, the champion leader to decide or team to vote if there are differences. Or other decision-making process can be carried out like prioritization, compromise, and consensus. D6. Implement permanent corrective actions. Implement actions list from D5 to verify the effectiveness. Remove all containment actions and monitor effectiveness of permanent corrective actions. D7. Prevent reoccurrence. Is there any system modification that is needed to prevent this problem or any other kind of reoccurring? Example, flowcharts, FMEA control plans, policies, procedures. D8. Team appreciations. Recognize the team. Take the team for lunch. Give bonus from problems savings or any other. It has been proven that employees' appreciations can boost performance, dedications, and self-esteem. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.